We are here.
Oh my God.
This is our last full day here in Barcelona, and we've realized that we've basically only shown you tourist attractions, and today is no different, but we are putting a local twist on it. We're gonna start our day off going to the beach.
The beach that we're going to is called Barceloneta, I think.
Barceloneta.
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 Barceloneta. And we're going there, we're gonna soak up the sun. It's a very popular place to go to. It's only about a 15-minute walk from the Gothic Quarter, which is kind of one of the main downtown areas that you'll probably visit when you're here. So if it's nice out, you should definitely go.
The weather feels pleasant, but we don't know how great it's gonna feel on the beach since it is the beginning of October. A little cool in the air, but nothing's ever stopped us. Well, I guess we weren't the only ones with a beach idea.
It is packed out here. Granted, it is the weekend, so maybe that's why there's a lot of people out here, but tons of people everywhere.
And there's only one thing left to do.
Get in the water.
The water is so salty that it's completely buoyant. You don't hardly have to even do anything to stay afloat. It's crazy. The beach is completely free as it is a public beach. A lot of people out today, a lot of different activities going on. Sand castles, sand dragons.
It's a pretty cool setup. There's a what I would call a cement boardwalk running along parallel with the beach. There people are biking, walking, skateboarding, selling things, and there's also restaurants lined up too.
All right, now back to the house, quick shower, turn around and Sagrada Familia next. First time seeing it?
We're here and this thing is breathtaking. I mean, there's no other way to explain it. You get off the metro and you turn around, it's right there, and it's unlike anything I've ever seen before.
All right, we're in, it's packed. It's a great day to come. There's sun hitting it from one side, so it's coming through all the colored stained glass. When you'll do anything to get the shot.
Yeah, I'm about to do the same thing. it now. Pretty cool.
She looks just like I left her. I've been here. I was here in 2001, and I remember it being really narrow and hard to kind of walk through and everything. There's two sides you can visit when you come. One's the Passion facade, the other one's Nativity. I specifically chose the Nativity facade because we were coming later in the day, so I didn't want the sun to be gleaming in our face. So we actually are looking out to the sea, and we can see all Barcelona lit up in the sun. So choose your side before you get here. Just know what time of day you're gonna come and where the sun's gonna hit. Helpful pointer.
It's worth the price to come up here because the views that you see are really incredible and breathtaking. We came around 5:30 and I personally like the lighting of it right now. We're not getting hit by the sun. The city is completely lit up by the sun though, and it's really nice.
Little history on this place. It started construction 135 years ago. Gaudi was not the first architect. He took on the project. He died in 1926 with only a quarter of it being complete. There's a total of 8 towers, but there's supposed to be 18 towers. And they assume that the project will be done in 2026, which is 100 years after Gaudi's death. So the elevator takes you all the way up to the top. There's a total of 300 stairs all the way to the bottom. All right, that's a wrap. That was it. That was our big bang. That's why we didn't go into so many other places, so we could save it all for here.
Specifically, save it all to go up to the top, which again, I highly recommend. We were up there and we were the only ones up there, and you have phenomenal views of the city. It's, for me, probably a once in a lifetime activity or place to be, but I would like to come back to see it again one day when it's completely finished.
2026.
Rafael, I'm using the wires.
What's that? You going to the bathroom?
No!
Why the f we blue? One is the Passion facade, the other is the Naivety facade.
Nativity.
There's two.
Nativity side.